The iPhone 6, Apple's most popular iPhone. How does it hold up today? Is iOS 12 still good for app usage today, or is it kind of being left behind in the dust? Now, the iPhone 6 originally shipped with iOS 8, which at the time was when Apple was changing into something that it is now. Steve Jobs had passed over 3 years at that point. Apple wanted to try something new because Androids were getting bigger and bigger as well, and they wanted to catch up. So they made the iPhone 6. I gotta say, the design is pretty okay, but I'm not a fan of how the antenna bands are placed. The phone runs pretty good on iOS 12, it's pretty smooth, I don't see any complaints. Though I will say, as the years go on, their app support is going to be shut down more and more. For example, if you go to Twitter and try to load that, yeah, this app is out of date. So they just kinda left iOS 12 in the dust. I'm pretty sure YouTube still works. I got a comment saying iOS 12 still supports YouTube, and that was correct. Let's watch a video.
I mean, mate, I've had iPhones since the iPhone 4 back in 2010. Mate, that thing lit me up, retina screen, the whole thing. Oh, the golden age of the smartphone, mate.
Okay, yeah, YouTube still completely works on iOS 12. Now, I said before that the iPhone 6 was actually pretty smooth on iOS 12, but that's because it's on iOS 12. And the reason why I didn't get anything higher than that is because the guts are kind of the same as the iPhone 5S. Yeah, they advertised the A8 as being faster than the A7, but that 1GB of RAM is still something that holds it back. If it was given more RAM, it would have had a better chance of being updated more and more. Kinda like the iPads. For example, the iPad Mini 4. This has an A8 chip, but it has 2GB of RAM, and therefore it can run iOS 15. Yeah, the actual performance inside this device was actually not that different from the iPhone 5S, besides the design and the materials. I'm pretty sure this is the thinnest iPhone they've actually ever made, and unfortunately it was thin to the point where it actually bent. Yeah, that was memed on for quite a while. It's a good thing that they fixed it with the 6S. This was made with better materials and was actually a thicker chassis than the 6. In conclusion, although the iPhone 6 was bigger and better wasn't really in performance, rather in design. Even sometimes that wasn't the best part. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you have enjoyed, give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.